Whenever a new industrial transformation happens or someone wants to introduce a new technology, that happens at Hannover Messe. For years, for decades. I am having with me Dr. Jochen Köckler, the chairman of board of Deutsche Messe, who are the organizers of world's largest industrial fair, Hannover Messe. We are at February in Hanover for the press preview this year. When April, the doors are open for the world, Hannover Messe. What is it that the world can expect?
So we are running Hannover Messe 24 in challenging times. To be honest, we have a lot of crises around us. We are still discussing a lot about the climate change, higher energy prices, etc., etc. So many companies are looking on cost, are looking for efficiency, and Hannover Messe offers what they're offering year by year, how to be more competitive. And we see, especially with the concept of Hannover Messe, three major drivers. It's automation, since many years. Since 10 years we have digitalization in the industry, and then we have electrification to run it in a sustainable way. So therefore the visitors can expect 4,000 visitors offering solution for a future to run their factory at home. Doesn't matter if in India or here in Hanover, to make it more competitive and more sustainable. And that is now more and more done by things like AI and like hydrogen, and that are the major topics of that what we can expect in 8 weeks' time.
You talk about the challenging times. So we have seen last year also we were talking about the Russian-Ukrainian war. It have gone more than years. And after that we have seen near to Europe, the crisis, what's happening in Israel. And these are all creating more challenges for Europe, right? And before 2 days there was a report I read that maybe Germany is going towards recession. So on these situations, how do you find, and especially energy is something we are talking about, sustainable energy, electrification, how you think that world should move towards finding a solution?
So first of all, I hope that the crisis we are faced in the last 2 years, it's only a period, and we are again in times that we believe that we are human beings. It doesn't matter if you're from India, from Germany, from which country, and we are able to live more peaceful. Perhaps it's a naive personal wish, but I hope to have this. Nevertheless, for prosperity, for the development of societies, we need innovations. And we have the possibility in our days, with a combination of automation, digitalization and electrification, to run this in a sustainable way. All these fantastic companies we heard today, Beckhoff, Phoenix Contact, Siemens, all we have, they are delivering solutions to have a sustainable energy supply, and thanks to efficiency, to use less energy. And that is what we need. And the best against the recession is to run your own company in a competitive way. And that is the sense you find here if you are running. What are new technologies to make me better at home? And that's the DNA of Hannover Messe. For aspects of hydrogen or for aspects of AI, you do not have any borders. For hydrogen, you need a global partnership, especially our partner country, Norway. They are willing to deliver, or my interview before was with Brazil. They're asking how to enter this market for hydrogen. For AI, it's really the massive thing, totally different to hydrogen. Everyone can use it at his smartphone. So that will be the speed for AI in the future, not only for engineer, but for everyone.
I remember last year when we had the press preview, you spoke about ChatGPT, and that was something which was just hitting the people. And we are 1 year after. Today, we have seen when Fabian was presenting his presentation on AI, how generative AI is going to the shop floor. So I think that is a big transformation happening in the world.
Absolutely. The speed is much quicker than before. And that is Hannover Messe year by year in April. I'm totally convinced when we meet again in 12 months here in February in the preview for 25, that will be a massive topic. And that is, and what we really need is with these platforms like Hannover Messe to explain the advantage for the society, to explain that it's nothing against us, that it's nothing that is more clever and smart than you. No, AI is a tool to help you to avoid not stupid work, but normal work. And you have more time to concentrate on that, what happened. And that is the core of automation in the industry. At the end, AI is a data-driven automation process, like Fabian explained. So, yes, there is a lot of speed in the air, and that is a big reason to visit, to go to Hannover. You cannot say, I look for it in 3 years. That's too late. That could be possible in the 70s and the 80s, but that's too late. No, it's really speed in the air.
I completely agree with you. The partner country Norway is way forward in EVs, electric boats, what they are creating, and also the kind of research and innovations they are doing in the future mobility. Last, not the least, how do you think this year Norway will add more value to Hannover Messe 2024?
They will help us that hydrogen is not longer a theoretical possibility to substitute oil and gas. They are, since decades, very successful exporter of energy. And now they are investing in wind offshore parks to producing a lot of wind energy. Then they are producing hydrogen, and they are ready to deliver. And here in 8 weeks in April, we have to discuss and we have to decide on business models. Who is willing in 2 years to ask for that many amount of hydrogen? And then is the key question, the price. So we need now the next step in this discussion together with Norway. They are able to deliver. We have a big steel company here named Salzgitter. They would like to use it in the next 5 years they are polluting 1% of CO2 in Germany. So they are willing to use this. So Norway will be very concrete, very precise, offering something, and we are able with this offer to have it here. And secondly, they are organizing carbon capture. They are bringing CO2 under the North Sea. So that is also a political discussion we have here. So it's perfect to have it here to be ready for doing business. And that is the idea of Hannover Messe.
Thank you very much. Actually, if you see, we here in the press preview of Hannover Messe 2024, we are already talking about 2025. I think that is the vision and that is the technology what Hannover Messe offers to you. It is not just an exhibition what we are talking about. It is about how humankind can transform through technology, and you cannot miss Hannover Messe, be it in India or anywhere in the world. So along with Dr. Jochen Köckler, we would like to invite all of you this April 2024 to come and witness the new technology.
We welcome you here in Hannover 21st of April. Contact us if you need any help.
Thank you.
Thank you.